Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right into part 7 of the fantastic tutorial, Artificial Intelligence for Everyday Life. Now, if you've been hearing the term AI everywhere lately and honestly feeling a bit overwhelmed by it all, I want you to just take a deep breath. We're going through a completely friendly, non-technical guide designed specifically for older adults. So no confusing jargon here today, I promise. Just clear, practical ways this technology can make your day-to-day life a little easier and honestly, a lot more fun.
Okay, let's dive into this. What if you had an assistant who literally never got tired and was just always ready to help? First off, I want you to completely forget those scary sci-fi robots from the movies. Actually, scratch that, erase them from your mind entirely. Because at its core, that's really all artificial intelligence is. It's a tireless, helpful companion available day or night, sitting right there on your device, simply waiting to lend a hand.
And by the way, the fantastic insights we're unpacking today come straight from Virtualization Options LLC. They're a Colorado-based research and education group that's deeply dedicated to making modern tech accessible for everyone, and their friendly guide is exactly what we're exploring today. So let's start with a really simple, foundational definition. Artificial intelligence is just a helpful computer program that learns from experience to assist you with tasks. That is the whole shebang. And you know what the absolute best part is? You require zero technical background to use it. No way around it. If you can type a simple sentence or speak into your smartphone, you are already overqualified to use AI. In fact, here's a little secret that might actually surprise you. You're already using AI every single day. It's not some distant, futuristic concept waiting for us decades down the line. It's this invisible technology seamlessly woven right into the tools you're already comfortably interacting with on a daily basis. Yep, you're an AI user without even knowing it. Think about when you turn on the TV in the evening to unwind. When Netflix pops up and suggests a brand new show you might like to watch. That isn't magic, it's AI. It simply learned what types of programs you enjoyed in the past and used that experience to make a really helpful recommendation for your night in. And this brilliantly illustrates how embedded this stuff is in our routines. Think about your smartphone's autocorrect, fixing a quick typo when you're texting a family member. You know, when it changes a misspelled word into the right one. That is a form of artificial intelligence quietly stepping in to smooth out the process so you can communicate faster and easier. Or how about when you're driving and Google Maps suddenly reroutes you to save you from an unexpected traffic jam? It's just another way this invisible assistant works in the background, analyzing all that data in real time to save you a massive headache on your afternoon drive. So, how does it actually know how to do these things? Well, think about how you learn to cook. You watch others, you follow recipes, and you practice over time, right? AI learns in a very similar way, but instead of reading one single recipe book, it studies millions of examples instantly to understand patterns. So no confusing jargon is needed to understand it. It just learns by looking at lots and lots of examples. It's really that simple. Now that we've got the basics down, let's look at the next big leap. This is what's called generative AI. And guys, this is where things get truly exciting. This is where the technology evolves from just suggesting things like a movie or a driving route to actively creating brand new things from scratch, like writing a letter or describing a photo for you. Now, if that sounds at all intimidating, our source material puts it perfectly. It says, think of it like texting a very knowledgeable friend. That's it. Interacting with generative AI tools like ChatGPT is exactly like having a regular, casual text conversation. You don't need to learn computer code, you just need to know how to chat. The way you actually talk to this assistant is by typing a request, which is simply called a prompt. You just ask a question or give it a task, and it responds directly to you in plain, easy-to-understand English. It's incredibly natural. Now, what's really interesting about this is how practical a prompt can actually be for your daily life. Imagine typing this: explain Medicare Part D in simple terms. You can take notoriously complex, frustrating real-world topics, ask your AI assistant to break them down, and literally get a clear, personalized explanation in seconds. How great is that? But it goes way beyond just answering questions. Think of the practical magic of having an instant writing assistant right there with you. You can prompt the AI to help you draft a formal, polite letter to a strict homeowners association, or you can ask it to help brainstorm a really touching, personalized poem for your upcoming wedding anniversary. It takes the dreaded blank page and gives you a fantastic starting point. I absolutely love this next application. Generative AI can act as a gentle, encouraging editor to help you capture and polish your personal memoirs. So, if you've been wanting to write down your life stories for future generations, but maybe you feel stuck on how to phrase things, the AI can gently refine your words while keeping your unique voice perfectly intact. It's like having a co-writer who just wants you to sound your best. This helpful assistant also extends beautifully into entertainment. Streaming apps like Spotify now use AI to build custom musical playlists based entirely on your current mood. You can literally just tell the app you want relaxing Sunday morning music, and the AI instantly curates the perfect soundtrack for your living room. Or consider travel planning. You can get wonderfully specific. Try asking your assistant to plan a 7-day trip to Portugal for 2 people who love history and good food with easy walking distances. The AI can instantly generate a daily itinerary that specifically honors crucial details like keeping walking distances easy and accessible. It's like having a dedicated, highly attentive travel agent right in your pocket. Let's move to and see how this builds into Chapter 7 of the tutorial, which focuses on connecting with family. We've done this quick, essential recap of all the basics specifically so you can use them for what matters most. Ultimately, all of this AI technology is just a tool to ensure that physical distance doesn't have to mean disconnection. AI tools are making it easier than ever to stay close to the people you love, bridging the gap between generations with absolute ease. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to walk you through these final 3 pieces of comforting advice from the tutorial. Step 1. Be curious. Every question is a great question, so just start asking. Step 2. Be patient. Learning anything new takes a little time, but you absolutely have the ability to master this. And step 3. Enjoy the journey. The best is truly yet to come, and these tools are just here to help you enjoy it more fully. So, the crucial point here is that artificial intelligence isn't something to fear. It's something to embrace and use to your advantage. Which brings us to a final thought. What will you ask your new assistant today? Will you plan a trip, write a poem, or just ask it to explain something you've always wondered about? The keyboard is yours. Dive in, be curious, and have a ton of fun exploring.